Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the minimum value of the function this. So, we have to find out the minimum value of this function where a comma x belongs to real number and a greater than 0. A is a positive number. Okay. So, if you'll observe, this number is a positive number, exponential function. This is also exponential function. Both are of same thing because both base is same. Correct, na? So it is of same category, and these guys are talking about the minimum value, minimum or maximum. So whenever question will ask you to find out minimum or maximum, your first suggested filter is AM, GM, and HM. And suppose that if it is not applicable, then move on to application of differentiation. Okay, but here if you'll observe, it is exponential function, it's a positive number, so you can apply AMGM concept. If you'll observe, the question is in addition, so AM is for sure, and if you'll do the product, this thing will neutralize this thing. So AM and GM will help you in this scenario. So can I write AM greater than equal to GM? Now I'll go with the function a power x plus a power 1 minus a power x upon 2. There are two things greater than equal to a power x into a times a power x, that 2 in minus power 1 by 2. So if you'll observe, this thing will neutralize this thing. Base same, power add, it will become 0. Power will become 0. So a power 0 is 1. So you will be having root a. Okay. So can I write that f of x? So in place of this, I am writing f of x. Now I will multiply both sides by 2. 2 times root a. So look at this. This means that the function f of x will always be greater than or equal to 2 times root a. Okay, therefore the minimum value will become what? 2 times root a. So this is the required answer. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.